I have an Arnson GE30-6B, serial number 1314, and it's a 3,000-pound welding positioner. So the unit will move in the up and down position. So I'm going to move up right now. See how far up we are here. So you can see here the unit is very well greased, as you can see. The gears are in actually very good shape. It's just they got grease in them, so like if I clean them, they look good. It's just that everything's very well greased here. You'll see the tracks are all in good shape. Looks like we got another 8 inches we can come up with it. So I'll come up a little bit more. And then it's going in the down position. There is automatic stops on this, so like I'm just going to keep going down until it shuts off. Safety switches, I guess you call them. Actually, you can see one right here on the rotation. And there the switch shut off. Alright, so now I'm going to run the tilt. So you can see the tilt is running. Back the other way. From there, the switch shut off there, so I went all the way to the end of the stop. Now I'm moving it back. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the table. So the table will go obviously both directions. And it has what seems to be like an almost infinitely variable speed, so I can just keep messing around with I can just keep spinning it. And if you look, you'll see I'm going to close up on that. And I can just keep spinning this dial up. Moving pretty good right now. So I'm going to stop it. We're going to go in the opposite direction. Same thing there, infinitely variable speed. The nice thing is this guy here does actually have a 19 and a half inch 3-jaw chuck with an 8-inch through hole in it, which is kind of a nice little extra option for grabbing stuff. I'm going to turn the back on so we can look at the gears. So I'm coming over so we can see the gears running. But as you can see, these gears are all in very good shape. Nothing's broken or pitted. Well greased again. Could use a really good cleaning and a paint job. Clearly you can see the paint's all chipped up here pretty good.